Hey, this is Big Rob from 3D and Graphics Design. Today I'm going to be doing a video tutorial on how to make the HAWK Girl's Mace. First of all, what I'm going to show you is the materials you're going to be needing and the materials I got for it, which is the floral craft foam. I got 3 of these, 3 sets of the spikes. I got an 8-inch, I guess, spiral foam for the top. I got the stick also for the handle. You're going to be needing also an X-Acto knife or any kind of knife. What I like to use is this one here, which is a Husky knife that I got from your trusty Home Depot. Okay, so you're gonna be needing a hot glue gun. Okay, hot glue, of course. You know you're gonna be using a lot of these. I also got this from Michael, and of course, you know, since I work here at home, I got a little plastic mat where I can work at. Okay. Like I said, you know, we're going to be working on the mace. The first thing you need to do is get your oval foam, get your knife, of course, and you're going to measure where you're going to be making the cut on the oval, so you can stick the, actually glue the stick into the sphere, so that it won't be it won't fit loose, or if this is by any case, you know, you want to smack your daughter or son with it, it won't break. That was just a joke. Hey guys, what I've done so far is I actually got my knife and cut out the hole for the stick. I also used hot glue to glue the stick into the ball. And also what I've done so far is I glued one of the spikes, making sure that it was centered with the stick. Okay, now the rest of the spikes will be glued on star shape, which will be, of course, 2 on the side, actually 2 on each side, left, right, you know, side, whatever you want to call them. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do that right now. We're going to glue the middle spike. I'm going to lay this down on my leg so I can kind of center. We're going to glue the second spike. Make sure you use a lot of glue so that they'll stick. The reason why is because this is actually, like I mentioned, floral foam, so you are going to need a lot of glue, like I mentioned. Just make sure that you center the spikes with each other so it won't look kind of weird. Okay? Make sure you, like I said, a lot of glue all the way around. But don't worry about the, you know, the way that the glue is going to look around the spike with the ball. Reason being is that afterwards, I'll show you how it's going to look once we get to the part where we're going to be doing the painting. And for right now, what I'll do is I'll pause the video so that I can go ahead and do this, and I'll show you how it's going to look, you know, right after I finish. Hey guys, we're back. All the spikes are glued on. As you can see, it looks very, very nice. Okay. Just make sure that you don't play around with it, because you know with the ball, with the spikes gets a little bit heavy, and the stick will break if you play with it. We're gonna go ahead and let it dry, and I guess I'll be back for the part 2 video tutorial of the HAWK Girl's Mace.